we have Priya Prakash, the co-founder and COO of Naturally Yours, a healthy noodles and pasta brand. The bootstrapped company was founded in 2010, and Priya is a certified nutrition coach and biotechnologist. How important do you think it is to have powerful role models or public figures that women entrepreneurs can look up to and feel inspired by? What's the difference that it can make?
So, Manali, I feel that role models are definitely required so that you know that how high you can basically aim, how far you can go, basic framework, basic strategies that are required to reach that. But personally, what I feel is that it need not be a public figure. It need not be someone who has really reached that kind of heights. It can be just about anyone around you, whoever inspires you to do better. For instance, since my childhood, my mom has been my biggest role model. She's a homemaker, but she's always had that ideology that do the best with what you're given. So that is something which stuck to me, and probably something that helped me during the COVID lockdown as well. I mean, that time you had to make do with what is available. So, I mean, that was the biggest learning that I felt was from my role model. That's my mom. But right now, I feel that every entrepreneur around is like a huge role model. Sometimes you can look at a friend, you can look at a relative, you can look at a competitor who is doing better than you and try to learn. I mean, okay, they are doing something better than you. That's why they are there where they are there right now. So learn from them. Keep your ego aside and learn from anyone who inspires you to do better. That is something that I feel is required. And currently, I am a part of Goldman Sachs 10,000 Women program. So it is basically a program for women entrepreneurs to scale their business. It is sponsored by Goldman Sachs and it is conducted at IIM Bangalore. So that is a platform where I feel it's like a huge eye-opener, where I am with 65 other women in my cohort, everyone from different diverse kind of segments. But I get to learn so much from them. Okay, this is the journey that they've had. This is the struggle that they've had. This is how they have kind of overcome it. So, I mean, that is the kind of role model that I would see. People around you who inspire you to do better. So, I feel that's my idea of a role model.